you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. I am having a fan-dabby-dozy day today because I won a thing, and it arrived today. So exciting! Yes, I won a thing. I won a competition on Instagram. It was the Karma shopping assistant-y type thing competition. I had seen this, I only knew about this competition because I watched Sophie Showhat, and she had been gifted one of these sets as part of one of her sponsorships with Karma, and they said oh, so exciting. Yeah, so they gifted her one as part of one of the sponsorships. And I think Cassie got one too. Or did I dream that? Did I dream that Cassie should get one? Anyway, I heard about it from Sophie Showhat, and I went onto Instagram and I did the competition. Oh, look! That's cute, isn't it? By the way, if you're new to my channel, I don't win a lot, but I have won a few Instagram giveaways. I think I've won 2. I will link those down below because, of course, I filmed it. Here we go. Oh, look, this is nice, isn't it? So if you are new to my channel, then go ahead, hit subscribe, ring my bell. Don't miss out on any of my other shenanigans. I am all over the shop. This says, bit of blurb here. Hey Gwen, thank you for being a part of Karma's biggest giveaway ever. Just wanted you to know that this is one of many more giveaways to come. No offence, but Karma does online shopping way better than you. Shade. So tell us what you want and we'll help make it yours. With real-time stock updates, flexible payments and the best prices, we'll even do the checkout for you. You want it, we get it. Thanks, Karma Shop Now. Now, I am not sponsored by Karma, but I have used the product with varying degrees of success. I think I've used it mostly for trying to get notifications when Louis Vuitton pieces come back in stock. And as soon as you get the notification, it's gone. So it may not be entirely brilliant for that, but we shall see. We shall see. Here is the box, and here is the thing inside the box. I can't believe I won the giveaway. That's the thing. Get rid of the box. That's a very hefty box. Full marks for keeping everything protected. Bubble wrap. Lots of bubble wrap. Not so keen on the bubble wrap. It's the oh my god, I want it all Easter pack. Amazing, absolutely amazing. I don't know which way around the label's meant to be, but brilliant picture on the front, love it. This says oh my god, I want it all Easter pack. Very, very solid is the word I'm looking for. I am so excited because I already know what's in here because I've seen someone else unbox it. But calm, Gwenny, calm. Before we get inside and have a look, yes, I'm wearing the pink top. I wore it for work today. I've literally just got home from work. This was delivered today while I was in the office, and I've been itching to get back and get inside it. And I'm wearing my lovely elk, there you go, elk Australia earrings from my lovely Molly. Let's get into the unboxing. For those of you who haven't seen, ooh, there's a little cardy card in here as well. This says on the back of it, set your shopping mode to Karma. What's on your dream list? Everything on trend. Missed the last pair? No sweat. We'll let you know when it's back in stock. Add to Easter is here wish list. Everything on sale. My heart is saying yes, but my rent check is saying not so fast. Set a price drop alert. Feeling lucky? We're finding the perfect coupon for you. I think I've got this upside down. I think it's meant to be that way around. Ooh, so a couple of little clippy things here. Oh, I've got to stop pulling faces. I look like such an idiot. Right, here we go, here we go. I actually really like this concept. This concept is excellent. Yes, I did it. I'm sorry, I did it. I have got 4 eggs in this egg box. This one, this is my egg is better than yours. And it's got that lady with bunny ears on. You know, I'm a bunny ears kind of gal. This egg has just got a pattern on that side. And then on this side, whoa, face. This side, bunny again, clearly, because it's Easter. And on this side, is that some sort of flower face? And then this last one here, that looks like me the morning after our anniversary. Feeling a little bit hungover. And that one there. Let's get into this one first. Oh, sweet mama, I can't believe I won this. I cannot believe I won this. Let's get into it. First egg. First egg is... oh, there's a little star in there as well. There's a little bit of... there's a couple of stars there. This is a little bit of Chanel paper. And, oh, on this side, a few more stars and a little bit of Chanel paper. Let's pop that egg back together before it all goes... let's put you in upside down so I know you're done. So, what they've done here is they've got a... ooh, I don't know, what have they done here? What is this? This is lipstick, it's Rouge à Lure, colour 158 Virevoltant. And next to it, what is that? Oh right, it's a, so, oh I see. It's a mega Chanel lipstick case with a normal size, actually a smaller size bullet. Oh, and that's a nice shade. I don't know why I'm sniffing it, but that is a lovely shade. That could be a good kind of neutrally kind of, oh, that's what happens. Okay, so here we go. Ready? Ready, ready, ready? Yay! I like that. And then the other thing is Les Lift. Oh, I don't want to pull the camellia off. Les Lift Creme Fine. So amazing. Love that lipstick. Not so much about the Creme Les Lift, whatever it's meant to be, but the lippy, I reckon that'll be a winner. This one feels quite heavy. This is the bunny and the flower face. Let's open this one. In this black tissue we have got some Jo Malone. We've got two flavours, basil and neroli in the classic cologne styly. That's interesting, very interesting. And my favourite style from Jo Malone is the Intense, because I find that these ones wear off pretty quickly and I get through it quite quickly because I'm always respraying. But the Intense ones, whoa, they do what they say on the tin and they are pretty darn intense. This one is Velvet Rose and Oud. That's more up my street. Oh my gosh, how utterly amazing. I am so gobsmacked. Okay, this one with the lady bunny ears. My egg is better than yours. Well, let's see. This one, oh yes! I am tremendously excited about this because my little sister has just bought this and I've been looking at it as well. It is the teeny tiny net bag. I can't remember what it's called. What's that? It's the Lots of stuff in French there on the Longchamp label. I can't remember what it's called, but it is one of the teeny tiny single-handled Le Pliage bags in the net with a little crossbody strap. Please go crossbody on me, please go crossbody on me, please go crossbody on me. This is going to be so cool for spring summer. Okay, it's not going crossbody on me, but I don't care. I shall use it as a little shoulder bag. My earring's fallen out. I shall use it as a little shoulder bag. Mostly I will use it as a little top handle bag. How cute is that? And the last egg in this wonderful, gorgeous, amazing egg box is this one. She's having a lovely time. And in here, oh, yes! Ray-Ban. Oh my sweet mama, look how small this little box is. This is a pair of, magnetic. Not a popper, magnetic. We like a lot. Folding sunnies. These are in a kind of a tortoiseshell-y kind of light colour. Again, the same sister that just bought the Longchamp. She had a pair of these years ago, like years ago. How cool are these? Let's put these on. Spritz a little Joe Malone, slap on a little Chanel lippy, and I am good to go. These will be so incredibly useful on holiday, out and about, with a really small handbag. Look at how that folds in. That's so clever. The clearance on it, look. So clever. I do feel like folding them is going to break them. What an unbelievable price. We've got Chanel, we've got Longchamp, we've got Ray-Bans, we've got Joe Malone scents. I still can't believe I won. I still can't believe I won. So yeah. Do you enter Instagram competitions, giveaways? Are you lucky? Have you won any of them? I have won 2 before. One of them I won a little bracelet from the wonderful Caitlin Pulowski. That came all the way from Australia. It was a little Ana Luisa gold toned bracelet with some pink thread threaded through it. And the other one was this little Longchamp Le Pliage Club little coin holder that I've not used as a coin holder because I think she's better than that. So those are the 2 Instagram giveaways I have won before. I am still surprised and shocked at winning. Like I said, I'll have those 2 videos linked down below. Wow! Thank you, Karma. Thank you for putting on such an amazing giveaway. These, even with the little Karma bits on, I'm going to use these year on year on year for Easter prezzies and things. I'm not really big on decorating the house for Easter and for anything really other than birthday parties, birthdays and Christmas, but I will absolutely use these eggs and this really, really fun egg holder, egg pot, egg cup holder, what do you call it? I will use these, and I'm going to use all of these things as well. Not a single one of these is going to go to waste. Look how small that is. I will use everything. I am going to go and have a little gin and tonic and maybe a lie down now while I get over all of this giddiness. Amazing. Amazing. I'm so sorry I've been rambling. It's been too exciting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you've won in giveaways and competitions down in the comment section down below. And also let me know if you use Karma. How do you find it working out for you? If you've got any tips for me to make it work better for me. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please show it the thumbs up love. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!